Hi friends, I am Aradhya. I am back with my sixth video, and in this video we are going to learn how to make a paper dog. For that we need a square sheet of paper, a glue stick, a marker or a sketch and a scale. So first we will fold the paper into two equal halves and crease it properly that we get a line in the middle. And open it, take a scale and keep it into the middle of the line and tear it into the half. And then again we have to fold it like this and crease it. It should get equal. Then again take your scale and cut it. So if you want, you can throw this sheet or you can use it. Then we'll do the same with the another piece of paper. For that, again we'll make a triangle shape like this, crease it and put our scales and tear it. And we can put this extras aside and we'll get then two squares. Then we have to first fold one square into the halves, take one edge of it, put your finger on some distance and fold it like this into a half diamond shape. So this is the ear of our dog. And then we'll do the second one. This is the second ear of our dog. Now we'll turn it upside down and make a curve from the first side. Press it like this. So now we'll take a sketch pen and make two eyes and its mouth. And then you can keep this piece aside and close your marker. And after that we'll also do the same with the second piece. We'll crease it like this and we'll not fold the ears. We'll make one tail like this. It will be the tail of the dog. And we'll crease it properly and open it from all the sides and then turn it upside down and fold it one time, and then we'll take the line and crease it like this. Then you can pull it as much long as you want the tail of it, and then we'll again bring the dog back. Then we'll take our glue sticks, open it, and we have to open this part of a dog, apply some glue on it, and then if the ears are coming out, you can re-stick it and put the body again into it and press it for a while, and you can leave it for some 10 seconds and keep your glue aside. And now you can see your dog is ready. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.